Iziko elitsha elokuqala lizinze eMpuma Koloni. Eliziko likwiqondo lobuchwepheshe bale mihla lizokuvelisa amachiza namanye amayeza. Elinye lamachiza lokukhutshwa kweliziko lakwaAspen lichiza lakwaJohnson & Johnson liza kubonelela ngamathonsi ayi-300 million ichiza lakwaJohnson & Johnson ngo-April.
We have confirmed and signed that we are going to be getting initially 30 million vaccines out of this facility and 220 million will be vaccines that will be spread throughout the continent.
UAspen wenze utyalo-mali olungaphaya kwe-3 billion rand kweliziko. Liza kuvelisa amathonsi echiza COVID-19 afikelele ku-300 million ngonyaka ichiza lakwaJohnson & Johnson.
Can make many doses and we're ramping up. We're actually making more and more. We really were supposed to only come online a few months later actually. And I'm just so proud of our team because they jumped over so many to become the lead supplier and they've done fantastically well.
There was an issue with the availability of the vaccine. Now with this facility promising and committing to offer us more doses, I'm confident that we are ready to move with speed to roll out the vaccination because it was not a matter of us not having a capacity, but it was a matter of the availability of the vaccine itself.
Ingulerato Fekisi, kwindaba ze SABC eGqeberha.